We searched and searched and searched for a solution to connect with our e-commerce platform. None of them worked. This one did. On a partner that could listen to what our needs were and then implement them. So it was great. This is Jeremy. I'm the CEO of KVM Switches Online. We've been in business since 2000 selling KVM switches online. Keyboard, video, mouse equipment, essentially to allow somebody to control more than one computer from a single keyboard, video, and mouse unit. We also do video extension, USB extension, signal management, mainly for data centers, small control rooms, that kind of thing. So KVM Switches Online uses e-commerce as our primary sales channel, online sales. We also use Amazon. We have an Amazon store that we bring sales in. We do not have any brick and mortar facilities, so we primarily work here in the office and online. So we explored Webgility as a tool to use between our CRM, we use Salesforce, and our e-commerce platform. So we've been, again, like I said, we've been around since 2001. We were using the Yahoo Small Business platform for a number of years. They sold their product to a different company. We moved out of our old CRM system that did communicate with the Yahoo platform to the Salesforce platform, which did not have a native way to connect to the Yahoo sales platform. So we explored Webgility as a way for us to bring in our orders automatically from our e-commerce website into our sales management CRM, the customer relationship management platform. And we do it a little bit differently than what most users of Webgility do. We use it strictly between our e-commerce platform and our customer relationship management supply. So we actually had to have some custom work done by Webgility to make all of the fields flow to where they were supposed to go. And Webgility was great to help us achieve the solution that we needed. And I think we've been using Webgility since 2016. It's 10 years now. So very responsive to any kind of changes that we need to have done. Was great. Again, this was 9 years ago. I was really involved in that process at the time, but digging back in my brain, it's a little bit fuzzy. But I do know that for the most part, it seems like Webgility is used to go directly to QuickBooks. We go into our customer service or Salesforce and then into QuickBooks from Salesforce into QuickBooks. So we used it a little bit differently. So we did have to have the fields that come from the Yahoo store, the name and the last name and the address and some of those fields we had to have mapped to the Salesforce field directly to go there. So I think based on what our need was, some of the Webgility platform changed to allow for more visibility on those connections and on how to map that to the proper places in the CRM. Some of the ways that Webgility has really helped us is it allows us to automatically enter these orders where before we were manually entering in all those things. So one, that saves us quite a bit of time. I think it was at least a 50% reduction in time from pasting back and forth, Control-C, Control-V, Control-C, Control-V. So it saves us there. It also saves us in our accuracy. We've become a lot more accurate because we're not re-entering and typing in and making an error in one field versus another or, syntax and things like that. So it's improved our accuracy. It's also kind of helped us be a little bit more our data management side of it because of some of the errors that we'll throw, not the errors, but the notifications that we receive. Hey, this is already in there. This is an existing customer. Do you want it to go there? Or do we need to create a new customer? So that was really helpful too. Before we had multiple accounts for single users, we were able to clear all that up. So that was really helpful too. That's a tricky one. My advice for up and coming users, I think definitely, taking advantage of something like Webgility is really great. We don't use as much of the platform as is available. So there's a lot of shipping pieces that we haven't really gotten into. We've done a little bit with that, with the verification of addresses and things. We'd really like to tap into the ability to choose which shipping service we can use. We could actually save money there by being able to shop that out. So I think definitely look at all of the aspects that you can use this tool for and continue to build on it, right? So it's something that evolves. You kind of got to have to stay with it. Before they weren't doing a lot of the shipping pieces. Now they've added the shipping pieces. We haven't revisited that piece yet. So, going back and revisiting some of that's good too. And I guess, when someone says take it, it's a plugin right out of the box. As we tried, we searched and searched and searched for a solution to connect with our e-commerce platform. None of them worked. This one did. Everybody would say, yeah, we have a native plugin for that. It didn't do what we wanted it to do. that could listen to what our needs were and then implement them. So it was great.